Next, fourth question. In this question, he has given some objects and asking to draw front view, side view and top views. For example, take the first one, that is military tent. From front, it will look like this. So from side, when we see, only this part is visible. When we see from the top, this is not visible. From the top, this line is visible. This part and the other part is visible. So we should imagine and we should draw those figures. That is the thing. Now, what is the front view? Simple. This is the front view. Easy. Now side view. Side view. This part. Like this. That is, when we see from this side, it will look this part only. When we see from the above, this line and this side, like this, and the other side, like this, it will be shown. So this is front view, side view, and this is top view. Next, coming to the table. When we see from the front side, we can see like this. Say these are legs. Front side, only this part we can see. When we see from the side, the shape may be same, but this is little bit shorter. So we can see like this. From the top, just like this. Only this part, that is table, the flat surface above that, only that part we are able to see. 3 and A, B, C, D we will do. D and E. Next, C. This is a nut given, and in nut, see the front view, how it will be. See from the front, it will look like this, the same front view. And if you see from the side, that is, if you go to other side, from the other side also, it will look in the same manner. That is, if you rotate also, the same figure will repeat. So the side view also, it will be same. And the top view, when you see from the top, this is not visible, only this part, upper part, that is top view. Next, see this. This is front view, hexagonal in shape. So if you remove, this will be the front view. This will be the front view. And then side. This one and these 3 blocks we can see. This is hexagonal block now. This is hexagonal block. From the side it will look like this. And when you see from the top, that is, if you put it like this, and when you see from the top side, all these 3 foldings, these we can able to see. This is the top view. Next, dice, very easy. Dice is there. If you rotate this, we will be able to see the square. If you go to other side and see, we can see the square. If you go to other side also, it will be square only. So in whatever the direction you see, you will find a square in shape. Even if you see from the top also, it will be square only. But number of these dots will differ. In this picture, he has given 2 on the top. This on side 3. That is in front. And inside 1 is given. So from front, this is front part now. This is given front. And this is side. And this is top. In the question it is given. So front part these three we are able to see, three dots, front part. Whereas the side one, this is only one dot, so it will be one dot. And top view, how many dots are there? Two dots are there. So two dots. This is top view. Last, a solid is given. A solid figure is like this. Now, when we see from the front how it will be, these two are there, these two we can see, this upper part, this we cannot see, even this upper part also we cannot see. So these two squares and the above this square we can see, these two and above this, like this. This is the front part. And next, side. When you go to side, see, it will look like this. Why? Because this part we can see and the above part we can see. When we are seeing from this side, this and this two, one above the other, and this one, this side, when we see from here, these two and this side we can see. So these two and this side we can see. And the top, when you see from the top, this is not visible, even this is also not visible, only this particular square and these two squares are visible. This can't see, this also we cannot see. So this one square, beside that one square, and this side one more square, square here, here, and this side, like this. These are the different views.